Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll walk you through how to remove junk from Android phone. To remove junk from an Android phone, we have three methods for you. First method, clear up cache and unused data. Open settings on your Android device. Then go to apps and notifications, or app management depending on your Android brand. Then go to app list. Choose an app and tap storage and cache. Tap clear cache to remove temporary files. Repeat for other apps. Then delete unused apps by going to home screen and long pressing on the chosen app, then tap uninstall. Next method, use a cleanup app. Install a trusted cleaner app such as CCleaner, Files by Google, or one of your default cleaner app. Open the app, tap Junk Clean, and scan your phone for junk files. Review the results to ensure no important files are selected. Now, tap Clean or Remove Junk to delete cache, duplicate files, and residual app data. Last method, manually remove downloads and media. Open your File Manager app or Files by Google. Navigate to the Downloads folder and highlight on one file, then tap on Delete in the top right. Then confirm by moving File to Trash to delete unnecessary files. Empty the recycle bin or trash or recently deleted, then highlight all the picture and videos, then tap on Delete in your File Manager or Gallery app to free up space completely. These steps will help improve your phone's performance by clearing out unnecessary junk. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.